safety up, man. Think they'll let us ride the service elevator?
All we gotta do is ask and see what they say.
Alright. Door closed button works, right?
Yes.
Look out the window.
Yep.
These are rockets.
Yes.
Here we go again.
Now for really, really dark places, we're on one.
Alrighty. So who are we gonna ask?
Probably one of the people at the desk.
Alright.
Yeah, but it's a hydro.
Yep.
That's kind of like touch button.
Not quite touch.
There's a burnout light up there.
As far as I know, Kone doesn't make hydros anymore.
When did they stop doing that?
I think it's about 10 years ago, maybe.
Oh. Yeah, so this is where we parked.
Yeah.
See, we're all the way over there. Yeah, the white vehicle's ours.
Yeah.
Oh, it left. Now, does it auto park?
Maybe.
Or is it going to pick someone up?
Hard to see, right? Sounds like somebody's getting on.
Yep.
Maybe.
Probably luggage cart.
How are y'all doing?
Good. Well, there you
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Door closed button works really like that, right? I like this button.
You do.
Yeah.
Oops. Sorry.
There it goes.
Yep.